Hello guys, in this video I wanted to show you a method on how you can jailbreak your iOS device. This works with any iPhone, iPod or iPad device. I'll show you my version right now. It is iOS 12.2, which is the latest version, but it works with the older versions as well. So let me show you right now. Open up your browser and go to Jailbreak 12.2 Okay, once you're on the website, press Start Jailbreak to start the jailbreaking process. Now it's connecting to my device. Don't worry, this method is compatible with 95+% of all iOS devices, so you shouldn't worry about that. All you have to do is click a few buttons, no need to connect anything to the computer. And now we have to confirm if this is the correct iOS version, and it is 12.2. Click confirm, make sure you backed up your device, and now the jailbreaking process has started. And we have to complete a verification. The reason there is human verification is so bots can't abuse the site and sell jailbreak software on the internet. Okay, so let's open two apps. Download and open two apps for 30 seconds to pass this verification. As the first app I chose Hotspot Shield VPN, but you can choose any app that you wish. Now let's open it and just follow my steps. We have to connect to the VPN for 30 seconds. As you can see, the method is very simple and it does not require more than a few minutes from your time. After this, we'll download and open another app again for 30 seconds just to make sure we pass the verification and get our device jailbroken. Let's wait a few more seconds. Now let's open a second app. Your apps might be different, but it does not matter, guys. As long as you download and open two apps, everything should be successfully and correct. Now let's wait a few more seconds. Now let's close this app and let's restart our device to complete the jailbreaking process. Let's see. Yes guys, as you can see, Cydia is now installed on my device. Everything went as expected. This device is jailbroken. I hope this helped you guys. Have a good day. Take care.